Hey tribe, welcome back. I am fired up to share with you a health juice that you can use to stay hydrated, especially if you are fasting. This juice is so yummy and I promise you, you will love it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let's get into it. So tribe, let's quickly go through the ingredients and the gadgets that you're going to need to make your health juice with. 1 bunch of celery. Make it organic if you can. Organic celery, and then the juice of half of a lemon. You can substitute the lemon with lime. So if you don't have lemon, use limes but not both. For the gadgets, I am going to be using this citrus squeezer right here. It does the job of squeezing the lemons and then straining at the same time. But if you don't have this, use a knife, squeeze by hand, not a problem. You're also going to need something to juice your celery in. I have this Omega blender, that's my juicer. I don't have all of the attachments here. I have those on the, save somewhere else. But if you don't want to be bothered with setting up your juicer, you can juice the celery in a blender. And then after juicing it in the blender, you then have to strain it, which I'm going to be using this setup right here. This is what is referred to as a nut milk bag, I believe. This one is reusable, so it's looking dingy because I've used it so many times. After preparing the celery, we are going to put it in the blender and then blend it without adding water. If you're finding that it is difficult to blend, just pause and eventually it is going to blend. Again, do not add water. Guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, do not forget to hit on that thumbs up button so we can all cultivate health together. This juice is super hydrating. It is good for fat loss, it is good for health, it is good for happiness. Just try it. If at first you don't like the taste, just keep at it, because guess what guys, the tongue can be trained. You cannot just keep not eating healthy because you don't like something. The more you do it, the more your tongue will be trained to love it, and it will love you right back. This is a health juice that loves your body right back. I hope you give it a try. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And guys, just give yourself a challenge, maybe to drink this every day for the next 7 days and see what happens. Remember that you are what you eat, so eat something healthy that loves you back. Until next time, stay healthy. Bye bye.